Hello, this is Dee from the Fishing Gardeners, and I'm just going to show you some of the dragon fruit cuttings that we got from Cochain. His Facebook tag is Harmony's Dragon, and he is very knowledgeable about dragon fruit. So that dragon fruit I just showed you, right? We have some trellises here, plus we'll be building some trellises today. We're going to be putting it on here. Now, this right here, this American Beauty, this one I got from the big box store. So it's most likely Annoyed, and N-O-I-D. And I forgot what it's supposed to stand for, but basically you don't really know what you get when you get it from a big box store. Basically, that's what it is, right? This one right here, I actually got from the festival. It was actually a fruit tree festival, and they were selling fruit trees, so that's where I got this yellow one. I got a lot of yellow. This one right here I actually got from a dragon fruit grower. These Halley's Comet. I'm going to go ahead and take them out, and they're going to go into rehab because they're small, and the cuttings that Cochain gifted us are going to go up there because they're nice and strong and they're ready. Oh, look at this little passion fruit ready. Okay. And these right here I got from the nursery in Fort Lauderdale. And this is Mystic, Natural Mystic, and the yellow dragon fruit that I actually got. So those will stay on there. We got Frankie Red over here. He's going to stay on here because he's kind of sticky, and I don't feel like getting stuck. But I'm going to take out Voodoo Child, and I'm going to rehab her. All right? So those are, we opening up some spots for the dragon fruit. So all of these except for maybe one. And when we come over here, and plus we're going to go ahead and make some trellises, and we're going to use, you know, tomato cages, and we're gonna show you after we do the finished product, or as we're doing it, the tomato trellises that we're going to use for the dragon fruit and make them more sturdy. This right here, this is coming out of the pot. This is yellow. We have a lot of yellow, and I got that from the fruit tree festival, and we have that size. So we have some room already that we're going to go ahead and put these dragon fruit in. And he also gifted me with these elephant ears. And not only that, look at that, this is some small ones right here. So that's extra pots. You know, I see some small ones, so I'm going to go ahead and put those in a separate pot too. And I'm going to go ahead and put this in a bigger pot right here. So yeah, that's my work that I'm going to be doing today. Try to get out here, you know, I'm an early bird, so I like to get everything done before 9 o'clock. It's now 6:30. And I'm going to go ahead and start doing what I need to do. Hopefully you're having a blessed day. Goodbye.